this video, I'm showing you guys how I make my onion and garlic Ayurvedic hair growth oil. So in this pot, I'm going to be putting in some thyme, some fresh organic thyme goes in. We also use sage. So we put these herbs in. Some red onions. This is a very powerful natural hair stimulating hair growth oil. With consistency, you can see growth in about 3 to 6 months of consistent use. Next, we have some garlic here. We're going to be cutting it with some clean knife. Now, on a very low heat, we're going to be using our organic avocado oil here, and we're going to simmer and let all the wonderful juiciness of all these herbs laying in this pot to come out and get all the benefits out of it, guys. And what's in these, the sulfur that's in the red onion, all the vitamins and minerals that's in these other herbs, the sage, the thyme, and the garlic. It's going to do so much wonder for the scalp, so much goodness for the hair shaft, guys. So I'm going to pour in a little bit of this avocado oil. And next up, we're going to pour in some olive oil. You want to pour just enough oil to cover the herbs. And on a low heat, I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Get all the wonderful benefits and nutrients out of these herbs. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So to save some time behind the scenes, I had strained the all the herbs that was in the pot, and it's now cooled down. And I'm going to show you guys filling up these bottles. Okay guys, because this type of hair growth oil is very powerful and very herbal, it can be a little overwhelming. So to calm down that smell of it, I'm going to be adding some organic lavender oil in the mix of it. So in the dropper, I'm going to be dropping a few drops inside. Now it's time for us to apply our labels to the bottle. That is it, guys. This is how we make our onion and garlic hair growth oil, guys. So please check out the links in my bio where you can find this oil at my Etsy shop, my Amazon shop, my eBay shop, guys. And please like, share, comment down below if you want to know the measurements, if there's anything that you want to know that was not completely explained in this video. Please comment down below and we will respond back to you. Thank you so much for your love and support.